Yo, it's your main man Ty coming back hard with you, man, with the HATTEKERs, man. The HATTEKERs I-31S, man. These bad boys are doing it. I'm going to do an unboxing right here for you to hit you up, let you know what these little bad boys are all about. Someone called me and said, yo, Ty, do me a favor, man. Let me know if the HATTEKERs I-31S is alike. I'm like, what the heck is a I-31S? Let me look it up. So I went and checked it out, man. I called my man at HATTEKER, man. And they sent me out one of these bad boys. Okay? So here it is right now. I'm going to unbox it for you. And the whole knot, okay? Yes, when I always get two of everything, because I'm going to try it out before I show you. Because I'm telling you, like I said, if it sucks, it ain't going to be here. I'm letting you know right now. Now also, inside this bad boy is a really nice trimmer. Okay, but let me just do the full unboxing first. Okay, you have right now a stand. The HATTEKER stand. Okay, it's a beautiful stand right there. You also have 1, 2, 3. Let me take this out of here right now. The brush. You also have 1, come on, 2, and 3 and 4. Actually got 4 trimmer guards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them down right here. 4 trimmer guards, the stand, and the brush. Okay. The brush, the stand is back here. I moved it back a little bit out of the camera, but it's still right there now. It ain't going nowhere. Also we have the right here the charger cord, the charging cable, so you can see what it looks like. Besides that, the instruction manual is kind of thick one too. Goodness. And if you know, so some beginners out there, you might need these bad boys. And of course, it comes with an oil. Okay. Now, right now, I'm gonna move slide this out the way and pull this forward because I'm gonna pull out the bad boy right now. And out the way in the center. And here you go right now. Here you go, the HATTEKER I-31S. This bad boy can do it. To my surprise, it cuts better than I thought. Really good. Try that again. You heard that? You hear the beep sound? One more time. Like I said, this bad boy is hot. You're gonna want one of these bad boys. Starts up at 100%, goes there and rocks and rolls, man. The blade right now, the blade comes to you 0 gap. This trimmer comes 0 gap. You don't have to worry about that 0 gap, and it's already 0 gap. I'm letting you know. It is really 0 gap. Also, put it on the stand, charge it if you want to. If not, take it off and charge it this way. Decorate right here in the back. Just charge it. So ain't worry about it. Got the hook and everything. No problem at all. The hook, the whole knot. Charge it here or charge it back here. So you got 2 ways of charging, here and here. Also, this bad boy it runs almost 6,900 RPMs. So you can round it out to about what, 7,000 RPMs. The bad boy is hot. I'm telling you, you need to get this bad boy. You can save a lot of money, especially for you beginner barbers. You can save a lot of money with this bad boy and do some fierce cuts. Still 0 gap. You can go ahead and the blade is a real effective blade. You can line them up crispy, boy. Cut them sides perfect. You know what I'm saying? You can do it with the bad boy. If you need the designs and the whole knot, you ain't got to worry about it. This can do it. This can do it because it'll do good on bulk. I checked it out, made sure it can do good on bulk before I even report it to you. So if you bought it and it was whack, you're going to say, Ty told me to get it. Okay? I didn't tell you to get it. I'm telling you to get this bad boy because I know for a fact it can do really good on bulk hair, all types of hair. Don't worry about it. It will perform excellent. And instead of you paying $200-300 for a trimmer, pay about a good, what, $50? $50 for these bad boys and you're good to go. And make thousands of dollars off this bad boy alone. You don't have to go crazy, man. You ain't got to break the bank to get started, you know what I'm saying? Do your thing right here. This will get you going. Get you thousands of dollars, bro. I mean, think how many times over you will make back with a little investment, $50. Get these bad boys today. Your main man Ty say, yo, remember this, these are the HATTEKERs I-31S. Get these bad boys to high and yo. Love you, baby.